Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Okay, okay. Uh, I hope today you will be fine. You can follow my lesson. Yeah. Are you ready for study today? Yeah. In this meeting, I would like to explain about the procedure text. Yeah. Here we can see the example of okay, you can look this picture and you will find the example of yeah, procedure text. Yeah, if you look this picture you will find the title like 5-minute chocolate mousse cake, and then the ingredient here in this ingredients they are flour, sugar, cocoa, and the others. And then we can look the step here, the first, second, third, fourth, and five. The second, yeah, the second picture we can see the using guide of handphone. Yeah. Yeah. So we are learning about procedure text. Yeah. In this meeting, there are two kind of competency dasar. The first thing, yeah, we have to analyze what is the social function, structure text, and language feature of procedure text like manual or tips. And then after you have to learn what uh, after you after you learn about the anything of procedure, we can create the procedure text um, like manual or tips. Okay, you have to learning objectives of this material. Yeah, they are yeah, after you look the explanation you can understand what is you can understand, and you can communicate. Yeah, you can create and communicate the procedure text. Okay, but before you know about all the things, the first thing you have to know what is the definition of procedure text, because in this material we have to learn what is definition, and then what the kind of procedure text, and we have to know what is the cell function, structure, and language filter. Okay, there are many of procedure if we can look in around us. Yeah, uh, how to use a handphone, and then how to use to turn off the computer, a laptop, or AC, etc. And then how to make if you if you like to cook, you can to share about how to make something. Yeah, how to make cake, how to make pudding, etc. And then uh, there are many examples around us of we can find for relating the procedure text. Okay, and then after that we have to after we learn about the procedure text, we can know what is the general structure, and what is it the structure of procedure text. Um, and then the last thing is language feature. After that, before we Before we are learning about the procedure text, we are focused on the definition. Yeah, the definition of procedure text is a text they explain or help us how to make or use something. It means that in procedure text, we can explain or we can describe how to make or use something by step or sequence event. Yeah, there are there are some of kind of procedure text. Yeah, the procedure text to operate or to use something like how to use camera, how to use rice cooker. And then the second one is procedure text there giving instruction to do something like how to play guitar, how to make a brownies. And then the last thing is the tips to do life lah. The example is how to be successful in life and how to make yourself happy. Okay. Before uh, we are learning focus on uh, user guide as a manual and a tip. It means that manual is a technical communication document intended to give assistance to people using a particular system. Here, it share about uh, how to guide or how to use someone to do something. Yeah. In user guide, and then the tips is mean that advice on a matter that may be of interest to you, usually offered at no cost. Ah, in procedure text, there is a social function. Yeah, the first thing is to explain or tell the reader how to make or how to operate or how to do something uh, through a sequence of action or steps. It means that in this it's a purpose of procedure text is uh, how someone to make or how someone to operate or someone to do something using a step, yeah, and a sequence of action. And uh, the last thing the result is uh, we can use or uh, we can operate something. Okay, and then uh, the function the goals in procedure text is to explain steps. Yeah, there are steps we can do steps and the instruction to make or operate or do something. Okay, we have to know what is the general structure of procedure text. Yeah, there are three structure of procedure text. The first thing is goal. In the first part of the general structure, procedure text contain information about the purpose of the creation operator of something. It means that in a goal, we have to know what will be done in this procedure. And then the next structure is materials. Material is consists of material is making something. Yeah, material it's mean the other names of ingredients. Yeah, uh, procedure text they identify how something works or how to do in instruction manual. For example, how to use the video games, the computer, the tape recorder. Procedure text, instruction, how to do certain activities when unregulated, for example, road safety rules, video games rules. Procedure text related to nature or how human, example, how to live, how to success. And then the last thing, The general structure is steps. On the steps contains the steps or sequence that must be done so that the goals outlined in the part aim or goal to be achieved. Steps or sequence must be ordered from the first to the last. Okay. And then the last thing we have to learn about the language feature. The language feature here, we have to know, we have to use adverbial of sequence, like first, second, third, and the last. And then you use comma or imperative sentence, like put the noodles on the cut on the onion was the tomato, etc. Using adverbials or adverb to express the time, place, manner occurred, for example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, etc. Using action verb, example, make, take, boil, cook. And then the last thing, you have to use simple present tense. Okay. In this part, I will explain about the social function, the language feature, and the general structure from the example that I have to show you. Okay. The first in this picture we can see, yeah, the first we can see 5 minute chocolate milk cake. Yeah. In this part is it explain about the goals. It means that uh, the purpose of this example is how to make how to make a milk cake, and then the the, the next part is ingredients or material. Yeah, in this part the ingredients or material, they are explained. Okay, like flour, we have, because we make a something, we make a milk cake, we need a flour, sugar, cocoa, milk, malt, vanilla, and chocolate chips, and milk. Yeah. There are steps they explain in this part. Yeah, we can look the first, add dry ingredient. Yeah, there are uh, the first steps, the second step, third step, fourth step, and a fifth step. In uh, this part is explained by the writer to understand the reader how to make a mooncake. Yeah. Okay. This is the part of procedure text, like 5 minute chocolate mooncake. How about the language feature? We can see add add dry ingredients to milk and mix well. Okay, we use first. Yeah, we can say first. It show adverbs, and then we can look at. It's mean that using imperative. Yeah, pour, and then mix, pop your pop. Okay, and then run, and the last thing, white, and run. Okay, this is this is uh, the word of imperatives, and then second is using simple present. Simple present, all of we can see all of the sentence here is using simple present tense, because all of the verb in this sentence is verb one. Okay, and then we can look for 3 minutes. It means that's adverbial. Yeah, that's all my explanation about this example. Yeah, I hope that all my explanation can be understood by you. Yeah, uh, thank you for your time. Uh, Thank you for your time and thank you for your cooperation and see you next time and bye bye.